Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. You know, uh, I've already started how to balance the half equation by using ion and electron. Please watch that video. So let's do the continuation of that balancing of half equation. Look at that question. So first check which element get oxidized and which element get reduced. Look at that. Here PB X, suppose PB, I don't know, plus oxygen is minus 2 times 2 equals to 0. X minus 4 equals to 0. So X equals to plus 4. So PB from here goes plus 4 to plus 2. So here plus 4, that becomes plus 2. So increase or decrease, guys. A decrease in the oxidation number meaning reduce. This get reduced. And look at that, minus 1, Cl minus 1 to become 0. Chlorine here, look at the chlorine. Oxidation state of chlorine in chlorine molecule is 0. So minus 1 to 0, increase mean oxidation number increase during that chemical reaction, meaning it get oxidized. Oxidized. Now, so these are two half equation, and I have already discussed the rules to balance the half equation by using ion electron method. Let's continue. Like you can do oxidized part first or reduced part first, doesn't matter. So PbO2 becomes Pb. I told you first balance oxygen. So that's one half. Balance oxygen by using water molecule. How many oxygen extra here? 2 oxygen extra. I want to add a 2H2O. How many hydrogen extra here? 4 hydrogen atom. So add 4H plus. Now the important point is to balance the charges. That's the crux point of the balancing equation. All the charges are balanced by using electron. 4 positive charge, so I have to use 4 electron. Is there any, my bad, is there any 2 plus? Yeah, so 4 positive gives away 2 positive. So how many positive left on this side, guys? 2 positive charge. So 2 positive charges are balanced by using 2 electron plus 4 hydrogen plus PbO2 gives Pb2 plus 2H2O. Let's check everything is balanced or not. How many lead? One lead, one Pb. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen atom from that side, 2 from that side, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. Now the charges, 4 positive, take away 2 negative. So 2 positive left here and 2 positive left here. Yeah, it's balanced now. Now the chlorine, Cl minus to become Cl2. First look at the chlorine. Chlorine is not balanced, so I want to times 2 here. 2 means add a 2 electron here to balance that side. 2 negative charges are extra on this side, so take 2 extra, take 2 electron on that side. Now it's balanced. And make sure, guys, when you're adding two half equation, the electron should not be on the same side. What does it mean? Here my electrons are on the reactant side, here the electrons are on the product side. How many electron? 2 electron, 2 electron get cancelled, easily get cancelled. Add them up. Reactants on the reactant side and the products on the product side. So 4H plus plus PbO2 plus 2 Cl minus becomes Pb2 plus 2 H2O plus Cl2. Check the reaction is balanced or not. Now how many Pb balance? How many oxygen atom? Two oxygen atom balance. How many chlorine? Two chlorine balance. How many hydrogen? 4 times hydrogen, 4 hydrogen here. 2 times 2, 4 hydrogen here. Plus 2 plus 4 charge minus 2. So plus 2 left here, plus 2 left here. Now we will do one more equation, balancing of equation. Okay. Try that one, guys. Check the oxidation state of sulfur here and iodine here. First, you have to figure out which element or which compound undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction. Let's check that. Sulfur 2x plus oxygen minus 2 times 3 equals to minus 2. This time minus 2 is not equals to 0. So 2x minus 6 equals to minus 2. So 2x minus 4 equals to 0. X equals to plus 2. Now here 4x plus minus 2 times 6 equals to minus 2. 4x minus 12 minus 12 equals to minus 2. 4x minus 12 minus 10 equals to 0. X equals to 10 over 4, which is more than 2 point something. That's the average oxidation state, and I have already shown whenever we have sulfur-sulfur linkage in that molecule, the sulfur-sulfur bond has 0 oxidation state. Anyway, it's 2.5, which is the average oxidation state, of each sulfur atom. When you take the average, because we have 4 sulfur in that, 2 of them has 0, 0. So we have to take actually 2. So which is 5 actually. Yeah, but when you take the average of that one, it's 2.5. Anyway, so oxidation number, I think, increase, meaning sulfur get oxidized. What about here? 0, 0, iodine 0 to become minus 1. 0 to become minus 1, a decrease. So iodine get reduced. So this is oxidized, that reduce. Let's see, balance the equation, this equation and that equation, half equations. Look at that. Sulfur S2O3 2 minus becomes S4O6 2 minus. How many sulfur? 4 sulfur, 2 here. So 4 sulfur here, 4 sulfur here. Now look at the oxygen. 2 times 3, 6, 6 oxygen. Look at the charges. 2 times 2, 4 negative charge. So 4 negative charge and 2 negative there. So 2 negative charge left here. 2 negative out of 4, it gives away 2 negative. So I have to add 2 electron to balance 2 negative charge here. Now I2 I2. We don't need to balance oxygen. Oxygen is already balanced. 2 times 3, 6 oxygen. So one more time, check is that equation balanced or not. 2 times 2, 4 sulfur, 4 sulfur. 2 times 3, 6 oxygen, 6 oxygen. 2 times 2, 4 negative. So 2 negative, 2 negative, 4 negative balance. I2 to becomes 2I minus. Now iodine balance only the electrons. So two negative charges extra here. So I want to add a 2 electron here to balance that 2 negative charge. Now everything is balanced. Now add both the equation in such a way that no electron left when you add them up. Now look at that. Cancel these 2 electrons, cancel these 2 electrons, add them up. Reactant should be on the reactant side and product on the product side. So 2S2O3, 2 minus, like this is sodium thiosulfate, Na2. Sodium is the spectator ion, and this is tetrathionate. 2S2O3 minus plus I2 iodine become S4O6 2 minus tetrathionate plus 2I minus. Yeah, we will do one more. Look at that one. Sulfuric acid to become SO2, sulfur dioxide gas. Br minus to become Br2. So sulfur, work out the oxidation state of sulfur here. 2 plus x minus 8 equals to 0. X equals to plus 6. X minus 4 equals to 0. So x equals to 4. So plus 4 here. Plus 6 to plus 4. What happened? Decrease. So sulfur get reduced. Br minus 1 to become 0. Minus 1 from minus 1 to 0. So it increase. It get oxidized and sulfur get reduced. Now balance these two half equation. H2SO4 becomes SO2. How many oxygen on that side? 4 oxygen, and here 2 oxygen. To balance by using 2 water molecule. 2 water molecule. Now check how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen, 2. I will balance later on. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur. How many oxygen? 4 here. 2 plus 2. How many hydrogen on that side? 4 hydrogen and 2 here. So add 2H plus. Hydrogens are always balanced by using proton or H plus ion. So I have to add 2 electron here. Add 2 electron because to cancel 2 positive charge, I have to add 2 electron plus 2 H plus plus H2SO4 sulfuric acid, that becomes sulfur dioxide plus water. So look at that. We are balancing all these equations in acidic medium. I will teach you how to balance the equation in alkaline medium or basic medium. Now check everything is balanced or not. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen, 4 oxygen, 4, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen, 4 oxygen. How many hydrogen? 2 times 2, 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen balance, 2 positive charge, 2 negative charge, that's also balanced. Br minus becomes Br2. How many bromine? 2 bromine after times by 2. So this side we have 2 negative charges, which is extra. So I have to add a 2 electron on that side. Okay. Now cancel those electrons, cancel the electrons. When you add them up, you have to cancel these electron, cancel those electron, cancel those electron, and add them up. Add the equation. So reactant on the reactant side, H2SO4 plus 2H plus 2Br minus, that becomes SO2 plus 2H2O plus Br2. Check everything is balanced or not. Br2, 2 hydrogen plus 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen balance, 1 sulfur balance, 4 oxygen, 2 balance, 2 bromine, 2 bromine, 2 positive charge and 2 negative charge. This is also balanced equation. Look at that, guys. Chemistry, you can't memorize the chemistry. I challenge it. So you have to learn the concept. Once you learn the concept, chemistry is very easy, guys. Now, can we do one more? Now, look at that. This is very interesting question. We are using iodate ion, and this is iodide ion. This 8 like iodate ion. This is iodide ion. So first order times by 2 here. So IO3 minus becomes I2 times by 2. How many oxygen? 6 oxygen. Add 6 hydrogen, 6 water molecule. Sorry. How many hydrogen? 12. So add 12 H plus. 12 positive. 2I, I2 balance. 2 times 3, 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. 2 times 3, 6 oxygen atoms. 6 oxygen atoms. 6 times 2, 12 hydrogens. 12 hydrogen. Now 12 positive, take away 2 negative. So 10 positive charges. 10 positive, 10 positive. So those 10 positive charges are balanced by using 10 electron. Add a 10 electron. 10 electron plus 12H plus 2iO3 iodate ion, DATE, becomes I2 plus 6 H2 water molecule. Now I2, I minus iodide become I2, and we can titrate this with sodium thiosulfate. We can use the starch. Starch turns the iodine into blue-black color. So it's a kind of iodine clock. So 2 minus times, so 2 iodide, ITE, iodide, IDE, iodate, ATE. So 2 times 2 negative charge. So add a 2 electron here. So 2 iodide, I2 plus 2 electron. Yeah. Now look at that. In that equation we have 2 electron. In that equation we have 10 electron. How can I make 2 into 10 electron? Times by 5. So simple. This equation you have to times by 5. So we have 10I minus becomes 5I2 plus 10 electron. Cancel those electrons. 10 electron from here. 10 electron from here. Yeah, when you're balancing the equation, guys, be patient, don't rush, and look at each atom. You have to balance each atom and their numbers. Now add them up. I told you reactants on the reactant side, product on the product side. Add them up. So we have 12 H plus plus 2iO3 minus plus 10 iodide. That becomes I2 plus 5i2 plus 6 water molecules. Check the equation is balanced or not. 2 iodine from that side, 2 from this side. 10i minus 5 times 2, 10. So how many total iodine? 2 plus 10, 12. 2 plus 10, 12. How many oxygen atom? 2 times 3, 6. 6 here. Hydrogen atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms. 6 times 2, 12 hydrogen atom. Look at the charges. 12 positive, 10 negative. How many positive left? 2 positive left. 2 times minus 2. So balance one more time, guys. 2 minus and 10 minus, 12 negative charge, 12 positive charge. So everything is balanced here. It's tricky, very tricky. And I've seen most of the past paper that question came up. So if you have any question of balancing the equation, whether it's an acidic medium or alkaline medium, write down the question and send it to me in my comment box, or any type of chemistry question, please send it to me. I will get back to you. So I want to stop my video here. Thanks for watching my videos. Bye bye.